Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Bloom Outdoors. So, I went online and I picked up one of these because I hear they are absolutely great. So I got one, I'm going to try it out for myself, see how I like it. It is the DeeZee Tailgate Assist. So, if you don't know what it is, then normally when you open a tailgate, you open it and the thing just drops down. With this, it's got this little like hydraulic thing, hooks up like right here and right here, something like that. But you undo the tailgate and it just slowly goes down. It's like F-150 Platinum, the newer ones. You click the button and the whole thing just like hydraulically goes down. But this, you just undo the lever and the whole thing just slowly goes down. But got it in the mail today, so let's open it up and see if we can figure out how to put it on. So here's what we got in there. We've got this guy here, and then we got some hardware too, it looks like. We even got instructions in here. That makes it easy. Super easy. We got instructions in here and everything. It says, step 1, on the driver's side, locate the 2 bolts attaching the tailgate. Yep, right here, got that. Using a 10mm wrench, remove only the top bolt. I can do that. And then it says, using a 10mm wrench, loosen the bottom one, but do not remove it. And then it looks like this piece is going to slide in there. So your top bolt will go in here and the bottom bolt will rest in there. I guess let's just start by doing that. Looks like we need a 10mm, so let's get that out and get those bolts taken off. Alright, so first thing it said was take off this guy right here. Oh, that's hard. Alright, got the top bolt off. And then it said, loosen the bottom one, but do not take it off all the way. Oh, I'm going to call that good enough to loosen. This piece slides in here. So it looks like might have to loosen it a little more to get that piece to slide in. I'm going to call that good, because I do not want this tailgate falling apart. There we go. Looks like this guy goes in here. Looks like we need Allen heads, so let me grab that. So looks like we need this guy here. Let's see, does it say Titan? Or, yep, alright, well, looks like we're tightening it all the way. Alright, tighten this then. There we go, got that guy tight. So both of those two should be tight. Next thing, remove the tailgate cable from the bolt. Use a T50 Torx socket or the wrench provided to remove it. I'll use the wrench because it came with it. Looks like it fits. Okay, I don't want to use that. Let me grab one. Man, it's cold out. Take off this guy here. You guys probably can't even see. Gotta take off this guy up here. My camera's about to die, just so you know. Alright, there we go. We got that guy off. So it's just saying, put this right back here in the hole. So what we just took out is going to go right back in there. I'm just not going to tighten that all the way for now. Just leave it like that. So it looks like the tiny part is going to go right here. big part. How does this thing work? The big part's supposed to go up here, but I can't get it to even come out. Jeez. There we go. There's that. All right, let's get this thing tightened up here. See how that works. All right, I'm thinking this little thing it came with, yeah, it's like tape. It's basically saying it goes on like the inside of here, and you put it on. Yeah, it's just like this tape stuff to prevent it from rubbing. But I don't know, let's try it out just like this. See if I did it right or if it even works. Get the tailgate closed. So tailgate's closed. How's this thing work? Oh, pretty slick. Man, that's fancy, huh? And putting it back up, I'd say it feels like about stock. It's pretty slick when it comes down, that's cool. But when you put it up, it feels like it's stock, you know? I didn't know if there'd be any like tension against it. You know, because when I had to pull the thing apart just to get it on the ball there, it was pretty hard for me to pull apart, but it kind of falls the first second there, and then it hooks on. But you put it back up, and it's just fine to put up. Feels like stock putting it up, but I thought it'd be like really tight and hard. But you can see the first like foot or 8 inches or so, then it kind of gives it, you got to give it a second for it to kick in kind of thing. So let's see, is it rubbing anywhere, or what was that talking about? Looks like that's tight. It looks like this is all tight. I don't know. I put it up. The only thing where I could see an issue could be this cable hitting the assist, because they're kind of like real close to each other. But even so, I don't see the tailgate assist, the DeeZee tailgate assist hitting anything. Looks pretty slick. Yeah, I don't see it touching anywhere. I'm not gonna put that tape stuff on that it gave me, whatever they called it, the yellow piece of paper with the tape on it. I'm not gonna put it on, but I'll keep it just in case for some reason. Just if it does start doing that or something's going on. But yeah, just do that. Falls right down. Thing's pretty slick, you know, and it's just like right here, so it's not like it's in your way out here like these cables can get sometime. It's just right up here too. And this is all tight. It's tight down here. Thing seems pretty sturdy. I don't know, it's pretty sweet. It seems like it's almost a platinum now, you know, you just hit the button and it falls down. Thing's pretty sweet. So can you go against it at all? Like, I guess you can kind of speed up the process. Like, I didn't know if you have to get in the bed right away. Well, my camera just died, but I didn't know if there'd be any like, so it comes down like that, you know. But I didn't know if you're like rushed and you want to bring it down faster. So I guess you can really put some pressure on it, but I don't think it's good for it. It kind of sounds a little rough on the guy. But the thing's pretty slick. Man, it's like it's magic. That's so cool. But yeah, pretty easy install. You just had to take the one bolt out there, put their new bolt in, because otherwise it'd be in the way of this. That makes sense why you had to put this one in. And then you had to loosen that, take this off so you could put this new plate in here, and then you just slap this guy on. So we've got the stock bolt from the tailgate. We've got that left. Put it in the collection of other parts I have, I guess. But yeah, super easy install. Definitely recommended. It's almost like you upgraded the model of your truck by doing it. But yeah, super easy install. It was pretty cheap. I think it was like 20, maybe 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave a link for it in the description. I know a bunch of people that have it, they all recommend it. I am doing the same by recommending it. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and find the link for it in the description. But as always, thanks for watching another video of Bloom Outdoors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.